In this video, I'm going to be trying to use shadow to give more depth to the piece and try to give the piece a bit more of a three-dimensional feel. It's definitely the direction I want to go in at the moment with letters. So yeah, I hope you join me on this journey, and yeah, there will be some more pieces coming up in the future. So yeah, watch this space. I hope you join me on this journey and you can learn something from it yourself.
Memories will never give. It's funny, death will make you realize that you need to live. Now mommy, I miss you, I wish I could kiss you. And I got so many issues, then now my issues got issues. Ready in every confetti up on the scenery. And seemingly this greenery, dreamingly changes scenery. That's just akin to me, finicky, all this energy. Enemy ain't no Hennessy remedy, all my enemies. Gotta flow, gotta show, gotta blow, gotta get out of it. Now let me go, let me know the thoughts up in my brain. Let me be, but you can't fix the pain. It's like paralysis, now what a marriage is. Leave him in bandages and everything will vanish. It's slow, man, it's so man, it's on me before he die. It's life's a journey, so come along, enjoy the ride like And if I had a penny or a dollar, every time somebody holler about what they gon' do for me, boy, I be rich. Oh, your sister knows who, and your brother gon' do something for us, but they just ignore steady boys with a chorus. And check the flow now, no now. I don't wanna hear about the years getting old now. Oh, now back to working 9 to 5 the suit seam. Everybody got a jersey, homie, bunch of hoop dreams. Take off my jersey, don't trouble you. Got the W, trouble you with the struggle. Do juggle, do about the W. They paid them top dollar, play the roller Scott Tyler, top Scott slot style, a dollar rock baller. It's like paralysis, know what a marriage is. Leave him in bandages and everything will vanish. It's slow, man, it's so man, it's on me before he die. It's life's a journey, so come along, enjoy the ride like
So there we are, that is it for this video. I definitely needed to give some shadow to the 3D. That really would have helped if I had like a darker brown or darker beige, something like that. That really would have helped the whole piece. But yeah, that's something I can move forward to in the future, but generally I'm quite happy with how the piece came out. I could have done better with the shadow, with the little red triangles over the top, because they're a little bit naff on 2 of the triangles at the bottom. Yeah, so my excuses for the day are that the wall was dripping wet. It was absolutely disgusting. But anyway, that is the way it was. I'm quite happy with the way the piece came out. Certainly plenty of room for improvement. I'm just looking at a photo of it right now on the screen in front of me. So yeah, anyway, if you like this video, then please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think about the letters that I painted in this video. I've got a few cool little videos coming up, hopefully with a couple of different people that I've got lined up. So yeah, that should make some interesting content for you. So anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.